Assault Mode, activate. This is a Pendulum Magician Stardust Assault Mode deck. I thought it'd be fun because I used to love Assault Mode Stardust. Like I said, it's another fun deck. It could work for real. I have tried it and I have actually won some games. I should probably record a game, but I might upload an additional video later for this. I don't know, depending how many likes I get. But this deck just focuses on just using your standard Magician Pendulum plays, but you want to bring out your lovely Stardust Dragon, but you want to do Assault Mode on the next turn. But the only weakness to this is Kaijus. Kaijus will be a thing in games 2 and games 3 if they're not main decking Kaiju. So let's get into it. 3 Assault Beasts. You can discard this card to add 1 Assault Mode activate from your deck to your hand. Then the standard, 3 Black Fangs, 3 Double Iris Magician, 3 Harmonizing Magician, Maxi, Double Oath Dragon Magician, 3 Jokers, 3 Purple Poisons, 3 Stardust Dragon Assault Mode, 3 Wisdom Eye, double Astrograph Sorcerer because I forgot to put them in here. And then for the spells, you have double Cosmic Cyclone, triple Cosmic Cyclone, triple Duelist Alliance, Pendulum Call, Star Pendulum Graph. You could run Raving Eyes, but it's like I couldn't find room for it unless I make it a 45 card deck. 3 Assault Mode activate, tribute 1 synchro monster, special on 1 Assault Mode monster whose name include to the tribute monster. So you have Stardust Dragon on the field, activate Assault Mode activate, tribute that one to bring out Assault Mode Stardust Dragon. This card cannot be special summoned except with its own effect with Assault Mode activate. You contribute this card to negate the activation of spell, trap, or monster effect and destroy that card. And the funny thing is you can resurrect this card back on the end phase. So it's something like Stardust Dragon's effect but better. At your deck, Supreme King Dragon Starving Venom, Enlightenment Paladin, Omega, Triple Stardust Dragons, Supreme King Dragon Clearwing, Abyss Dweller Utopia, number 41, number S39 Utopia the Lightning, Trapeze Magician, Supreme King Dragon Dark Rebellion, and 2 Time Star Magician. So this is the deck. Let me know what you guys think, and remember to always activate Assault Mode activate.